Yeah, but everyone is different. For me, it was at 25. At 25, I felt like I was mature. I looked like I tried too hard with my eyeliner.
Alina just subscribed for 3 months.
Yay, thank you, Don't Serious. Thank you for gifting sub to that word. And if you want to see like man, I cough so much all night. We're going all in, but like what? Or I don't know actually, because or I'll read my comment history. Again, oh wow. Okay, it's all up. Oh, I don't even want to know why people always ask about the balloons. Where do people live? Aldrig mer. I have sheep clothes, so I want was like over the top. In the beginning of wait. In the beginning of the Rammstein concert, I was like, no, I don't do drugs. What the hell? The Rammstein is workout type music. Oh my god, chat! I got a package yesterday. Nice. That's not what I was gonna. Nice, because I get every week I get message. Well, if it's a song about cannibalism, it's probably, well, in that case, well, I don't get it. Well, everyone is playing the blue buffs. 7 Astral. Wait, I guess we take him away. Fuck. So, what he needs to give to Chansol? I brought that. I brought that calendar, but so they man. No, or maybe not. Thank you. Thank you. I think this. I can't sing because I cough. That's why I shouldn't have been to the concert yesterday, because yeah, concert is in Ullevi, yeah. No hiccuping. I did hiccup a little bit earlier, but it was bad hiccups. Wait, no, it's flickering. You can see it's flickering now. I had mycoplasma before.